life. Give you a piece of the pie. You say that you could just stay up and eat it all morning and into the night. You know I never get tired, teasing you just how I like. Yeah, we both winning, I gave you the business, but you the one wearing the tie.